5 cheap eats on the Las Vegas Strip. In recent years, prices of everything have increased, including food.
In some cases, they have more than doubled. Although wages and interest rates have changed too, there's still a large disparity between what we're earning and what we're spending. So now, more than ever, it is important to root out the cheapest places you can get yourself fed in Vegas.
What constitutes a cheap eat exactly? We're going to set the bar at $10 or less.
So, in no particular order,
First up, we have Pizza Hut. You can get a good 9-inch pizza for under $10, whether it is pepperoni, Italian sausage, or just cheese. Sure, it may not be the best tasting pizza out there in Vegas, but for the price you pay, it's freshly cooked, and when you order it sure hits the spot. You can find it inside Casino Royale or Excalibur Food Court.
Next is Taco Bell or Del Taco, depending on your preference of food chain. You can get a couple of tacos for under $10 at either one of these, or a taco and fries. You can find the Taco Bell Cantina on the corner of Harmon, or you can find the Del Taco in the Showcase Mall, the one close to the M&M store upstairs, or Circus, or in a new location in Excalibur.
Earl of Sandwiches next, and although this one comes close to the $10 limit for something like the Oaks Club, you can get lower priced hot sandwiches. They taste great, and some say it's superior to Subway. While I'll leave that one up for debate, it's safe to say that the Earl of Sandwich feels a little less generic than Subway. You can find the hot sandwich chain in Planet Hollywood close to the south entrance of the Miracle Mile. Next is the classic In-N-Out burger, considered by many to be the best burger chain in America. You can get yourself a hamburger, cheeseburger, or a double for under $10. They are always cooked fresh and taste great. You can find a few locations in Vegas, but the one we're going to point out is the one in the Link Promenade as you walk towards High Roller William.
But if you have a rental while you're there, I'd recommend going out to one of the restaurants though.
Finally, we have the classic $3.49 hot dog Casino Royale. Now, it's not the best looking or best tasting hot dog, but for its size, a foot long, it does the trick. You can even get 2 of them for under $10. The price used to be a little cheaper, but with inflation, it sure pushed it up.
But if you really want to give this one a go, it's probably best to get it done while you can, as the future of Casino Royale is a little bit uncertain.
Despite the expensive nature of Vegas, there's always places with cheap eats. You just need to go looking for them at a little more than you used to. Some places offer better value and quality for your money.
But some places are just way overpriced, just because they're attached to a celebrity name.
But what would you enjoy? A burger from In-N-Out or a Gordon Ramsay? Let us know in the comments below.